Unfortunately, fortunes always fade, and of course Seattle rain could change the course of our parade. I'll build a castle with a river and put a fortress in the way, and then I'll forge a metal sword and shut the door to keep us safe. And even when I leave, I'll still remember you, cause you meant more to me than that picture framed in our living room. And I know I don't got much more to offer than a simple tune. Hope that this is what you gon' listen to. When you're driving with your top down, riding around counting city lights, you'll be fine alone as long as you don't let the city bite. I'll stay in your heart for a while, we'll ride the wave. I got a feeling we'll be okay.
When your love hits like a wave, and I feel a little warmer, and there's nothing I would say except you if I was fortunate. And I don't know what to say when I see you in my thoughts singing. Your love takes me away. Hope it's true, just like a fortune I could make.
Oh, hey, if you're still listening, I love you.